Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about how I remove my upper lip hair. So first thing I wanna talk to a teenage girl. If you're watching my video, please do not worry if you grow upper lip hair, because it's very natural. Every girl has upper lip hair, so please do not worry about it. You can remove it easily and you can flaunt your hairless skin, so please do not worry. So I'm gonna talk about this tool I got from Amazon 2 to 3 years back. Actually, I've been using this since then. You can see this is this pink thing, hair removal tool I discovered 2-3 years back. So this thing has literally changed my life, because I now do not have to go to salon every second week or every week to remove just for my upper lip, because I can use it anywhere and any time I feel like there is some hair. I just use this and hair will be gone. So it's just amazing product. Plus second thing is this will not grow your hair back harder, thicker and harder. This is just exactly like you would thread your upper lip or you would wax your upper lip. This will work just like that. So you don't have to worry like if you will use it then your hair will grow back thicker and harder, because that's not going to be the case. Trust me, I can say that because I've been using this for like 2 years and I don't see any problem around my upper lip area. Plus I kind of feel like the upper lip hair growth has been reduced, so that's a great thing. If you really wanna know how to use this product and how this work and how I remove my upper lip, then please keep on watching. Again, a disclaimer: if you are, if upper lip hair grows you out, then you might just wanna skip this video, because I'm gonna zoom in a lot. So that's a fair warning, I believe. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So you saw how easily this magical tool works for removing upper lip. If you are interested in buying this product, I will definitely link this in description box below, so please check that out. If you are interested in more such videos, then please keep coming back to my channel. I will make more videos in future. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family who will maybe find this video helpful. That would mean a lot to me. Till then, bye bye.